Hello everybody. Today our topic is ng content. So ng content is a kind of a Angular element which is useful for to project the content into the into the parent components. So means here we have to access the child component, means nothing but the content in the component, and we have to project that content into the parent component. So we will see that that is in practical. So let's go to our example. So this is my example. So in the app.component.html I'm having the three components. Let's say there is the app customers, orders and products. So we will see the output. What is this, what of these components. So this is my output of these three components. This is the customers, this is the orders, and this is the products. These three are different components. So this means this is the independent components. There is a requirement I got it that so you need to implement this orders component and the products component into the customer component. That is my requirement. So for that we have to use the ng content. So ng content, what is the meaning of the ng content? You can, by using the ng content, you can access the child components into the parent component. So here let's say this is just I am using this orders template, I mean orders component and the products component I am using as a child component, and I wanted to pass these child components into the my parent component, then I can get the output. Okay, so how I have to use that? So go to the app.component.html. So as per now you are seeing this is the different components, right? So just you have to copy this one, entirely copy and paste it to here. So once this is completed, then after you have to see the output here. See, if you see the output here, you can see the data. There is only one thing is we can see the customer related element only. You can see the output. Whatever the element is here, you can see the output. But here I am using the orders component and products component also, but that is not I unable to see on that. Okay, but I could see the only app customers related HTML file. So here I need to solve the solution, like I need to see that orders and products into the customers level also. For that we have to use the ng content to here. So ng content, what is the use of the ng content? You can inject this see here, you can inject this kind of whatever you can kind of content. So this is nothing but called the content. So we have to project this content into the customer component.html, then only you can get the proper solution. So for that you have to use the ng content. ng content here, which is useful for to capture the what is the content is here within the component. Whatever the content which is in the component, you have to project this content by using the ng content. So then you can get the output. We will see the output right now. See, the output is I got it. So right now orders and products are the two different components, but these two different components are child components of my customer component. Okay, if you see the DOM element, see what this is the customers related element. So in this customer element you can see the app orders, and app products are the child components for this app customers. Okay, so how it is possible to here? The possibility is based on the ng content. Okay, there is some situation is I just wanted to show only the app orders into the customer component. Then how we have to show on that? So based on the reference of this app orders you can do that. Okay, so if you use the if you use the reference of this app orders, you can get the solution. See, I am using the orders as the reference is here. I need to use this reference into the customers component.html and use the select property on ng content, then you can get the ID, you can get the solution. Okay, so you see the output. So here orders component is orders component is applied into the my parent component. Suppose if you wanted to use the app products as a separate ng content, I don't want to apply this this app products into the existing ng content. I wanted to use this app product as a separate content. So how we have to show on that? So you can use by using products is a products. This is my reference. By using the products, you can use the separate content. So as per now, right now you can see the orders related ng content is already available. You should not use the products here. You create the one more ng content, and that ng content should be contain the products. Okay, products. Now you can see the output. So two multiple ng contents are available, and each ng content having the different reference here. See, same output, right? I got the different expression, different two components. Okay, so even you can select by using the class reference also. So come to here, app.component.html. I am making this is a, let's say this is a kind of a class. This class is, let's say this is a products. Okay, suppose if you make this is a products as a class, you can this class as a like this. Okay, this is the class products. Okay, this products is checking the which class contains to the products class into the app.component.html. So this contains the product class. So for that it is executing same. You can get the, you can see the same output. So same output, right? So now you understand that what is the use of the ng content. ng content which is useful for to project the content, whatever the content is available in the component into the parent component. Here the parent component is customers component. So I am projecting this content into the my parent component. So ng content you can use multiple ng contents into the parent component, and each ng content should contain to the different reference type. You can use the reference in two ways. Okay, by using the selective transclude you can access the contents. Okay, so this is the ng content related class. So next class I will come up with how to we communicate two components by input and output decorators. Thank you so much.